Okay, I'm live. So I've been procrastinating for a really long time, and that is fucking me up. I'm not able to sleep at night or daytime. I have lost my confidence because of this project. Not this project because I'm not completing the project and not applying for jobs or connecting with people. These things are really hurting me, and today I've decided that it's 3 a.m. right now and I was getting anxious and all those. So instead of getting fucked up, why not let's complete the project? So I'm not going to sleep till 10 a.m. in the morning. It's like 7 hour and I'm going to continuously stream till 7. If I'm not doing that, I'm gonna stop studying and left this place and go to my parents' house because this is it. I am done, and then I'm gonna sleep for like next 6 to 8 hours and wake up and continue this project until I just complete this one because this is it, yeah. How much I'm gonna wait for my life to start? I'm done for living this shit life. So let's start. Okay, this is a favorite position, and I'm minting the token and all those things. So before minting the token, I think I should watch 1 hour video. So YouTube might put copyright on these things. So I'm gonna record it and post on some other platform. I'm recording it on my local device. So let's check if there is space available in my system or not. There are 42 GB of space available. Let's check. OBS record video recording screen recording space consume. The video at 30. Oh, that's too low. I can afford that. That can range 5 to 8 GB. Yeah, that is if I get the warning, I will stop streaming. And no, I will not stop streaming. I will just stop recording. Yeah, or I can watch a video on my phone and code along with that. That will be perfect, and I won't get the copyright. I can watch on my device here on my tab. That is perfect. I have this issue of general anxiety where I want the result really fast, and that fucks me up. So I'm working on it also. But I'm hard. So there is problem here. The room where I shifted does not have Wi-Fi, so I use my cell phone data to connect my laptop to internet. But I think there is a problem whenever I try to connect my tab, which is an Android, and my Mac, which is like Linux based, and so both of these do not connect at the same time. I don't know why, because as you can see, I'm not able to see my Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot in my tab. This is really shit coding by either Samsung or Apple. I don't know. So let's watch it on Why watch if I have AI which knows everything? I'm gonna write this smart contract here. Just so we are minting the token, freelance token, safe mint, passing the URI. And from where am I getting the URI? Ah, okay, I've been being passed here, so I'm just updating. That's it on IPFS. This is minting script, and this one is okay. ER721 URI storage. Sorry. Fucking sorry. Always sorry. RPC URL alchemy. I will use it while testing. I will first try to test on Anvil. Then after that I'm going to use that. Okay, my private key from the RPC URL. Remapping, I have done that. Package.json already there. And Axios DNV already there. I don't need to, but I will do that. Freelancers NFT, and this should be 29 because in another file everything okay, token does not exist. Get user info. Again, I'm just vibe coding a whole project. Tomorrow I'm going to fix the issues. Freelancer or company. User type, user information, address, user type is of user type, string, metadata, URI, IPFS, URI mapping is user information. Yeah, user information mapped to some numbers, and that number like user, it is NFT minted at the index user and all that. There will be log of the NFT which I have just minted, and this is just constructor freelancer NFT. Token counter with initialized token counter is 1. I'm not going to sleep. This is my uh, revenge for myself, like for procrastinating a lot, because life gonna fuck you up, man. Just have to admit that. User type, save min token counter. Man, where am I using users? Not here. Okay, here. I'm passing token ID, which I just minted. Emit. What's that mean? Yeah, here. So mint user NFT, mint NFT. Okay, I think I have all the. Let's ask any other function you need. Let's see why code the whole project. Why? Are you fucking idiot? Oh, this is gonna be long and hard journey for me because I'm already feeling sleepy. I have coffee. Let me have it so I can stand the pressure. I have the cup, but it's inside my trolley bag, and I'm not willing to open those things. So I'm gonna use a small bottle and fill in with some instant coffee. Okay, fill it with water, and we are ready to go. I don't know if I survive the next 7 hours, but this is what I needed the most. My stomach is hurting. I don't know why. Tastes good. I want to be so high on caffeine that my brain should not think about anything else except the work. Fuck. I was it later. Okay, let me turn off the camera. I hate myself. I'm doing a lot of the useless shit instead of studying, so fuck man, where is tissue paper? I'm not going to sleep until my project is completed. I don't know how I'm gonna survive. I will order hundreds of coffee if I have to, but I'm going to complete it. Only the smart contract part and all the logics, escrow logic, uh, minting, assigning users, uh, rating them, degrading them, uh, anything else, or whatever, all those there are things. I'm gonna complete it right now. What's address 0 means? the new account. So if it is address 0 token does not, why not equal to? Oh, it's required that it should not be equal to address 0. That's understandable. There is just negation, so I got confused. So we are minting the token and getting the user information through here. And what else is required in this project? I'm just going to use whole AI, then I'm going to fix it according to me. Right now, I don't know about that. If in that, maybe in the next project, I will use my own handwritten things a lot. Is my camera working? Yes. Storing meter, tracking event by emitting event. Yeah, this is required modifier. So I don't have set token URI. From there we can do that. So let's make only token URI. And only owner can do that, and update meta URI. Only the owner of that. Only token owner can update the token owner is token ID message dot sender. That is it. Submitting my user already minted an NFT. I can add this and replace the whole function here. Expose public function to get our tokens. Function expose public function like token owner. Yeah, this is also useful. And add revoke only owner. Yeah, this can be put here after modifier. Where is my modifier? Oh yeah, revoking, updating the metadata and mint user NFT tokens of owner, user information, then invoking, burning the token. They receive ERC tokens as reward over time while their NFT is staked. No, I don't want staking. Why? Only scroll logic should be here. No, no, no. Staking contract shouldn't be there. If your goal is to instead of staking, then you don't need to lock NFT for a while. Well, why not staking? Yeah, you don't need to lock it. Yeah, I will do that later. Let's make escrow logic. What are the things that are being used here? Struct job, function, address, job, client, freelancer, amount, status, and job counter, and all those things. Job created, job accepted, job cancelled. Modify only freelancer, and all those things. Create job, accept job, complete job, cancel job, get job. Yeah, this one is required. Tomorrow I'm gonna fix it. So freelancer NFT dot soul escrow dot soul. Escrow logic is there. Freelancer escrow. I have to delete this. Let's let's. I will try to write the testing functions test by myself because that is way more important than the contract. So and learn the security procedures in the next step. Add deadline arbitration milestone payment. These things can be added. Let's add it from here only. I'm not going to code because auto refund to client if job is accepted or completed on time. It's updating all by itself, so I need to add the logic. Is vibe coding great? Client creates job with three milestones. Want me to write? No, I just want you to write the deployment code. Want NFT to link to job for identity. Yes, this I want. In my NFT, let's see, what type of in my metadata, from where am I getting metadata? In my JS file. Okay, while minting NFT, yeah, here I'm passing token URI, and the token URI is available. Okay, I will call it. So, mm-hmm. Yeah, it's everything's fine. Each job is tied to an empty token. Only an empty owner can accept the volatility. Job launches and deadline. Let's paste it. Escrow with NFT. Mint NFT. It is being freelancers. Oh, safe mint. Mint user NFT. Now let's see. Everything is fixed. Yep. Freelancer NFT. Escrow. Why? What are the data that is being passed here? User type, string memory, token URI. Oh, I'm minting an NFT and passing. Let's create a struct over here also. why passing? Like what? What the fuck is wrong with these mosquitoes? What the heck is wrong with this thing? Scooty to this. Hey, user type dot freelancer. This is the problem with AI. Let's remove this. I should always. Okay, let's declare it. Type string. Oh, you have to copy the whole thing. User type dot freelancer. What's wrong here? Let's recheck. While calling the function, while deploying it. So, what's the fix? Suggest me, I cannot sleep. Freelancer NFT. I don't need it here, I guess. Let's see. While deploying it, we are gonna ask if while minting, I'm gonna run a minting site. I'm gonna deploy it. No, it's a script. Then it should be .s. If it is being deployed, and It's my first time coding, not it's my first time coding in Foundries already. So coding. Yes, let's make a constructor. Constructor. What the heck, yeah? Declining arbiter fields. And it will take. Let's say type in and it will take mint. No, user type. Okay, fix it. This is all I wanted. What the heck just happened? So take a constructor. Not for the deployment purpose. Anything that is being run here costs you gas. So for running this function, I will take input minting. Before minting, I will take input. Let's say, why the hell there are two errors here? Uh, it should take something. Let's say it is taking string of type user type. So if user type is freelancer, then I'm going to run it. Else deploy private key nft dot company dot stop broadcast. What's the error here? fucking shit. I'm accepting everything because I'm wired. Okay, let's say I'm studying memory in a user type freelancer and company address receiver. Yeah, okay. Why? What's the use here? Deploy private key minting and metadata URI. What's the use of this thing? Okay, I got the private key. They already mint NFT. RPCUR. There's gonna be problem, but let's run it first and we'll see what it later. Okay, we are in right path. Deploy any ads. NFT. Yeah, I hope so. I will review the whole escrow contract tomorrow. And testing, there isn't anything to test. Run is not implemented in your script. Okay. I had to pass an argument parameter of this is expected entry for this. You can write, why should I write two types of? This is just version KCAC is R256, but it was developed by Ethereum company and it is updated. So yeah, private key. Okay, deploy a private key, and what's that? It will automatically use that. Am I using my private key here? VM. Okay, let's run it. Oh, come on, man. First, let me clear everything and run it. Okay, there isn't any private key, so I'm gonna pass it in my environment variable where it is. Yep, here. Where is my anvil? Available accounts, private keys. And what else? NFT contract address. There isn't any address. First of all, environment variable NFT not found. Private key. I think okay. First of all, let's clear everything and run it. Then Oh, I have deployed it. My contract. Then it's just a minting site. So have I deployed it? First we have to deploy. Deploy freelancer nft.s. Okay, spdx complete it, man. It's 24. Then importing the standard force library. What's wrong? What the heck is wrong? Now let's write contract. Deploy freelancer site script. Is there any function that I need to take care of? Anything? No, it's just it's deployed. Any constructor? Nothing. VM dot start broadcast. Freelancer NFTs new freelancer start broadcast. Anything. Let's deploy force script. Edit correct and script to deploy my contract. First of all, this one, yeah, deployment command. Forge script. Let's write by myself. Script. Okay, not here. Script slash. Then pass the RPC URL. What is that? 8545 http 0.0 1 8545 0 27. Not double G, yeah, it's minus broadcast. What the hell? Where is B? Just copy paste it. Oh, cannot instantiate an abstract contract. Yeah, that was the problem, man. Everything. Okay. Mm-hmm. I think I need to learn a lot. Accept it, dude. Accept it. Okay, it's deployed. My contract is deployed on chain execution transaction saved. Sequence has anvil hardened contract address. Minting NFT. Yep, that is .tlb file. Mhm. Yeah, it's just did it minted has upload days of things deploy. It's deploying, so let's not look focus on this one. Let's deploy my escrow. There is no way I'm gonna stop till 10. Okay, both are deployed and NFT is being minted. I'm not passing any URI, so what it is going to take is just where is URI? Yeah. Token URI, where is token URI? Token URI, yeah. Whoever will be calling, they will be passing. While minting. Okay, metadata URI. Without URI, it also minted, so it should print. What if I try to mint again? It should show error. Reward user already has minted an NFT. Yep, it's working. Oh yeah, where was I? If I try to mint again by passing, yeah, private key and all those things, and here when I'm minting, message dot sender. Instead of freelancer, if I pass what? Nothing. Let's say company. Mm-hmm. Okay, not here. Where was Anvil? Okay, let's try here only. It should fail because let's use my own private key here. Okay, now I have to, use some faucet, but on Anvil. Let's run another Anvil. This one is only RPC URL. Okay, I've done that testing. Let's move on. I will test in the test file unit while doing unit testing, so no need to spend more time here. What else is there to left? Mint user NFT, tokens of owner, all those things API. This contract is used to deploy. This is for minting, and then escrow. In escrow, let's focus on escrow. Till now, everything is smooth. Now I'm going to study the escrow, how and what and how it's working. Till 10, you cannot go anywhere. So you're stuck here. Let's check if I'm live now. Not. Rating them, degrading them, anything else, or whatever, all those there. Video, so YouTube might put copyright on these things, so I'm gonna record it and uh, I have deployed it. Contract. What the hell would you do? Focus here, man. You need a lot of attention here. Escrow with NFT. Not started, funded, in progress, completed, cancelled, disputed. I need a break for 2 minutes. Ah, Hi guys, I just took a break. Uh, my mind is in a great distress. I don't know why. I'm just trying to cope up with studying and what else do I have to do? Nothing, and let's get back to work. That is better for me. Where is my airport? I'm not going to listen any music. Escrow with NFT IRC 721. This is the status of the task and milestone. Boolean released. Yes, no. Struck another struck about the job address and the freelancer NFT ID. Address of NFT contract. Oh, the contract, the address of the contract where the NFT is deployed. Why do you need that? Maybe to communicate and update the NFT's meta URI and check. Okay, arbiter. Who is arbiter here? I think the deadline is fine. Milestone is good. So don't think too much how I'm gonna do that. Just keep doing that. Job counter. Job counter. Okay. Something is job. Like a company have how many jobs, like a freelancer, how many pending jobs and all those things. I don't think so. These are the events: job created, accepted, milestone reached, job completed, job cancelled, job dispute raised, dispute. Only client, not the client. Only client, only freelancer. Message or sender is jobs, job ID. Where is jobs? There is no mapping. Yeah, there is a job. There is no arbiter here, so I don't know. And not also no freelancer NFT ID. And what is job here? Uh-huh. Yeah, I need to import. This is a payable contract, so okay. Total. What's the total here? Hmm, I cannot sleep, so there is no any chance. Even though I am feeling sleepy, I need another sort of coffee. This is not a payable contract, so only create job. When you create a job, you have to send some Ethereum to this. Oh, oh, milestone amount. You have to pass like 3, 4, 8 dollars. Mm-hmm. Why not mint an NFT for the job also? Because that way we can store all this information over there, and with all the metadata and all those things. But that will not be on chain data, so this is not a purely decentralized. Half of the code I'm not understanding. Not the half. Let's understand everything line by line. Teach me everything line by line so that I can write all these by myself. Let's go through explaining it in plain English so you can deeply understand every part. Okay? I know enums. I know abstracts. Okay. Okay. NFT contract address. Uh, so the arbiter should be anyone on the chain, and after resolving the issue, if one of is unhappy, so the arbiter would be fined, and that money will be stored on the chain to the users. The hell am I doing here? The hell? Do not look on your phone, man. Just focus here. Keep it silent and away from yourself. You don't have anyone. Just focus on your work. You have posted like give $3 and the message dot value, and you are not giving that same one, so that is issue here. If you send, that will be stored in by default. Only client. Okay, Escrow profile is also looking fine. Where should I focus now? Ah, I need coffee again. I promised myself. Now I have 5 more hours. Let's see how long I've been streaming. 2 hours. That's nice. The contract address. I'm watching myself, watching myself. Ah, I need coffee again. The contract address. Anything that I can see to wake up my mind. I cannot run any video. This will give me copyright issues. So it's been 2 hours. Let's see if Shivam has uploaded anything. I'm gonna watch it after my stream. I saw some Foundry somewhere. Yeah, let's update the whole thing to again git. I'm feeling sleepy, so I forgot the whole. Update project to GitHub. I have already initialized. Yep. Oh, git is twice, so that is the region here. Untracked, let's add git add dot, then git post origin main. Let's check my GitHub profile. Oh, sorry. Is it committed right now? Not the voting system. How many times I have committed? Uh, uh, let's divide the tasks. Okay, it was in my Notion file. Let's see what I had to do. Let me first of all close it. I might share some sensitive information which I shouldn't. Okay. What I was looking at, yeah. I think I should sleep, but I'm not going to sleep. My next project will be on DeFi. NFT is going on, and then decentralized ourselves. ERC721 Escrow logic and to be honest, ChatGPT did all the heavy lifting, and I need to do that by myself. I don't want to depend on ChatGPT. Yeah. This is vibe coding. I don't like it. I'm not using my brain, so I just have to be awake for next 5 hours. I don't know why and how. I'm ahead of time, so tomorrow after waking up, I am going to write all the test and the logics by myself. Why not now? Nice. Yeah, checklist to confirm everything is written, excluding test files. This is where you are going to mint it. This is the contract for job, and I need to deploy it also. They can use the ABI test to run it. I don't even need to mint it. I can use the ABI. This was just for fun. Research purposes only. I cannot, you know, be awake. I just don't feel like being awake. I can. My eyes are closing, like they are, and I have to be awake. That is a 5 hour difference. How am I going to do that? That will be mystery. If I did that, I might get I might gain a lot of confidence. So let's talk instead of code, because smart contract is almost done and it is done by ChatGPT. So I'm going to check it again by myself for any errors and edge cases, and what else I can do. Front end I don't feel like doing today, so I'm going to do that day after tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to write the test cases, all the integration testing and all those tests, unit testing, because I've told you multiple times. And then fix the minor issues like you know, not showing the private keys and securing the private addresses and all those, testing, deploying, all those things. Now I have 5 hours. What I can do? You can see my eyes, they are getting red. But I will be awake for the next 5 hours. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I will be awake. I better start playing some games. No, games won't give me the job. I'm going to play game for 10 minutes. Let's do some online gaming services. I'm going to use washroom, so Hi guys, let's start playing some game till 5:30. I have 10 minutes. Then I'm going to code again just to refresh up my mood. Online games. I like to play Call of Duty, but that's gonna cost me a lot of time. And also, it is in my iPhone. Let's see if I can connect another device. Input capture, card device, Mac OS capture, anything. iPhone. Let's delete it. Use iPhone display in OBS using Mac. Connect to iOS using lightning cable. It can be if it. Okay, let's play COD on my cell phone. With not also. I hope it's get connected. Let's see. Connect. Video source. Video source. VLC video source. Video capture device. Let's say IPH. Do I have the option? Yeah, I'm getting. Are you connecting pair of headphones? Other device? Not now, man. Okay, let's resize it. Let's see how it's looking then. Yeah, it's fixed. I am going to turn it off. Sorry, this one. Yeah. I shouldn't play with it, but if everything goes better. Let's play. iPhone. Okay. To see system capture.
Frontline.
I'm not able to hear the voice, so I don't like this one. Cannot hear the voice, so what's the point of playing? I've been a legendary player in this battle royale multiplayer. The hell? Just turn on focus mode. I think I should close it and play in my phone. It's a screen capturing that I'm not able to hear the sounds of play. Fuck this, man. Let's delete it. I think playing on ear will be better, so at least I will be able to listen. fucking sound. What the hell? It should be unlimited. What the hell? Wow. Yes. One more game pending. the hell is that? Get away from my screen. The game is literally. Oh my god. Please, please give me some time. What the hell is wrong with you, man? Why would I? Let's get to home and upgrade it. You could have bought this one. 30 power. By default, it had 35. The idiot. Okay, that's sufficient. Let's play. What's the max speed of this? The 110. Nothing. Oh. Cooked. Nothing will fix it. Nothing can fix this one. So let's just. Oh. I shouldn't have break, man. Just. It's all 41. Oh my god. This is the last game. I hope I don't crash. No, it's cooked. So, as I told this is last time, so okay, let's get back to work. According to this schedule, we are ahead. So I can go to sleep, but I'm not gonna. So let's read what does this also APIs. If 2 refers to a smart contract, caller is responsible to confirm that the recipient is capable of receiving. Reintrancy vulnerability. What the heck is that? Owner can set the approval for all. Can I, as an admin, these aren't useful right now. Proxy, what's proxy? In finance, governance. Governance, tokens, access control, extending contracts. Let's see. Solidity developer roadmap. I have learned all those things. Application uses storage. I know IPFS, decentralized and everything. Blockchain forking. I know for cryptocurrency consensus protocols. I've read everything. Blockchain interoperability. I've read that. Blockchains. There are multiples like EVM based. Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain. Oracle's Chainlink, I am using Chainlink currently to get the data. And smart contracts, I'm using Solidity language. And yeah, smart contract framework, I'm using Foundry. Hardhat is also famous. Insecurities, practices, first testing, static, common thread vector, source of randomness. I need to know all these things. Then management platform of Zeppelin. Then you need to decentralize applications. I have worked with web3.js. I know React, I know JavaScript, I know Python, I know Angular, NFTs I am working, payment I am working. So, notice is Alchemy I'm using. I'm almost completing the blockchain. On-chain scaling, Ethereum to GK rollers, I know optimistic rollers, I know. ERC tokens are working crypto wallets. I need to work with wallets. Faucets are. Then from here what next? I'm feeling sleepy, so let's work on. Let's understand the code. Since I haven't wrote there. Why do you need the NFT of this contract? Am I passing arbiter? No. Yeah. Milestone dot length. Okay, I'm okay. Job dot milestone dot put milestone amount and false. Okay, I'm filling the milestone array with the amounts that I received and everything, making it false. Milestone amounts. My stomach is hurting. First of all, we will search if is there any jobs with this job ID. And we are creating a job struct here and mapping. Oh, I got the job. Job status should be funded. Job not available. If it's not funded, why would you want to accept it? First of all. Second of all, proc.timestamp should be less than job expired. Job should not be expired. Now let's say I have 1 days. Job.nft contract. Why? Who's gonna pass this? NFT ID only is being passed here. And why would you want to create an NFT contract for the job? Then I have to mint the NFT for that also. Fuck, I am done. If it's not receiver, you cannot accept. The fun, like I was reading here. Where is note that color is on that is capable or semi acid. Reentrancy vulnerability. Safely transfer revenue from to No. NFT is being minted and stored in this only freelancers. Abstract can contract cannot be deployed. I guess it can only be called. What I knew today, I don't know what I knew. But let's import. I am holding the what's this? Oh, now I understand it. That is why the NFT contract address is Minter, and this is the ID self-utility self-explanatory, which is here freelancer NFT ID. Arbiter is someone who's gonna fix it, and deadline is already there. Let's write the logic for arbiter. The one who called their ID should be what's the use of arbiter here if not being called? Oh, only arbiter can from. Let's understand this line. Mm, see what's payable. Job dot client. You have to pay to the client the whole amount on releasing the milestone. I'll fix you later. First, let me fix this one. I'm going to take a 10-minute break. I cannot wake myself up. Like literally, my eyes are closing and my brain is shut off completely. I think I need to do this every day just to sleep, fall asleep, just to fall asleep precisely. People call me that, says me, my friends and everyone, that I don't speak louder and clearer. And they say, like, you keep half of the word in your mouth. That is who I am. If you are not accepting me, then either I should improve or I should stay however I am. But I want to improve for the people I care about. So I don't know, yeah. I can't be awake. I need coffee. Let's check my conditions of my eyes. This is so bad. So bad. So I cannot work on code right now, so I have to shut it down. I still have 4 hours. What I can do is read the book Blockchain by Imran Basir. That's I've read the smart contract whole complete book. So yeah, I've read this, all these types of oracles, smart contracts. The smart contract, it was, those. hmm Let's go to the basics on top, like what I have not studied till yet. I've read this part and decentralization. I already showed the video. Symmetric cryptography. It's really good thing. Like really important concepts are in there. So I have studied multiple times this chapter and also asymmetric cryptography, especially the elliptic curves, which are faster in in coding, sort of making as out of data. It's really fast and secure than discrete algorithms. Logarithm. ECC. I read now everything zero knowledge proofs, snark stacks, and then consensus algorithm. I've read that. I have not studied the Bitcoin architecture because I don't have time, and also you're not going to use Bitcoin here. So, and about Ethereum architecture, let's study Ethereum architecture. Venomous is outdated. We use this is the same thing. Margin beyond excusing client. Hyperledger. I want to study. What's hyperledger? Hyperledger. Yeah, I need to study hyperledger. This is really important. And tokenization, all those things. This is my goal. Blockchain privacy. Blockchain security. Let's study Ethereum. But I cannot do. I should not study, I should practice. What the fuck, man? Just go to sleep and you wake up then stream. Most of the time you are out. Like literally my eyes are closing and my brain is shut off completely. I think I need to do this every day just to sleep, fall asleep. Just to fall asleep, just to sleep, fall asleep. Just to fall asleep, precisely. People call me that, says me, my friends and everyone, that I don't speak louder and clearer. And they say like, you keep half of the word in your mouth. That is who I am. If you are not accepting me, then that. So I don't know, yeah. I can't be awake. I need coffee. Let's check my conditions of my eyes. This is so bad. So bad. So I let's study. Yeah, I want to study the logical parts because Ethereum white paper. Why am I awake? Just for my self confidence that I can do that. That is the only reason I am still awake. I still have 3.5 hours halfway through. Yay. If you think your brain is shut, then your brain is actually shut down. I got a project bot a year ago. It was like really high package, and at that time I didn't know what was going on. It was blockchain project, so I can't. am minting, and you are minting the token just for the purpose of profile and nothing else. What if you are not? I'm really not studying, just passing my time. What's the point being away? If I'm being away, I should be studying. But let's study. Most I think I should sleep. Let's talk for a few minutes, then I'm going to sleep. It's not that important. Uh, that will be 50% of my effort which I planned. But as soon as I will wake up, I promise myself I'm gonna brush, take a shower, eat some food, then take a coffee, and I'm gonna start studying again. And that time I will be fixing the code, studying it, rewriting it by myself. So, bye, guys.